Hersheypark.
The music choice tonight.
I really like
what's
it.
going on? Hello, everybody.
Welcome back to another outdoor amusement video.
Today we're back at Hersheypark for their
Opening night of their Christmas Candylane. I believe that's what it's called. I don't know.
What is it called?
What is this called? What?
Christmas Candylane.
Oh, Candylane. You were right.
I was close.
That's what you said.
I said Candylane, so
it's close enough.
Close enough.
Yeah. It's close enough.
We are here for some hot chocolate, some seasonal festive hot dogs that look very interesting, and potentially one ride on something.
I see Candymonium going.
I'm in good spirits. I'm ready to rate and test that hot chocolate. It's gonna be a good evening.
I'm going for at least 4 hot chocolates tonight, but we'll see.
4?
Yeah, we'll
Crazy.
We'll see.
Let's get going.
But big shout out. We're here with Tim Does Hershey today.
So I got a camera, a dedicated camera to take pictures. I have wanted a Fujifilm camera for years now, for so long. And I pulled the trigger on the XM5 because it was such a good combo, and I'm really excited to try it out. Never taken photos before in my life with a real camera, so hopefully the photos turn out somewhat okay. But it's a learning experience, learning curve. We'll see. I actually like this one.
I like this. This is super cute.
I do. I like that pattern. Get on a blanket.
So
I like the shirt.
This is gonna sound really weird, but my grandma.
Going into the Christmas store. Because, you know, when else would you ever go into a Christmas store?
Literally never. Maybe July.
That's what I need right now, some hot chocolate.
Are we gonna start that hot chocolate dance?
Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. We better start it. I am thirsty for hot chocolate.
Me too.
It's a big s'more. S'mornament. S'mornament.
Wow.
It's a s'mornament.
Oh man, I was so hoping to get my Surfside styles. I was really needing some summer wear.
Is this hot chocolate stop number 1?
Hot chocolates.
Boo.
Boozy, boozy.
Boozy, boozy.
Stop to get yourself a Christmas tree.
Like the collapsible box
Oh, we got one
thing?
last year.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah. They didn't change it for this year?
They changed what's inside of it.
Ugh.
So they still have the Christmas.
Come on.
You sounded offended.
Well, because the stuff inside wasn't as good. Simply hot chocolate.
Peppermint, true classic. I gotta do peanut butter. I've never had peanut butter hot chocolate.
Do it.
Sounds good.
Don't forget to scan your season pass.
Yes. I have too many things on me. I feel very bulky right now.
So it'll be $9.85.
Could I scan my season pass, please? Thank you so much. You too. The cookies right here. I will say though, that meringue, ooh, that one's under.
Under what?
Under,
Jessica?
that's me. I like how they served it to me with my cookie on top, because the cookie's actually like super cold. Whoa!
Surprise.
Wow, it's even like chocolate whipped cream. All right, let's see if I burn my tongue. Hot chocolate number 1 of the night. It's appropriately temperatured. I really like that chocolate on top. It's really good.
That is really good. It's good. Peanut buttery.
But like not too much. Nice.
Unfortunately, you're gonna have to pick up the cookies.
Yeah, what are
on
those
this
two?
one.
This one is just the plain hot chocolate, the Simply Hot chocolate.
But it has chocolate whipped cream on it.
This one does too.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And then this one is toasted marshmallow.
Ooh.
And that meringue cookie though.
Yum.
We're gonna have to share this with the cookie. But I mean, I guess if it was.
Let's go check out the show at the Music Box Theater, huh?
I believe this is new this year.
Twinkling Through Time. It says it's new.
Just said no.
Yep.
It says new.
I guess it.
In all caps.
I'm still learning to read, so. It's about to start. Let's go.
New doesn't mean always good.
I might not be able to bring this in. We'll see.
True.
Hi.
Hi, come on in, enjoy.
Thank you. Enjoy. Ooh, it is nice and warm in here. Hello.
Christmas comes with children singing.
Christmas comes with sleigh bells ringing. Let's go!
Just
I
got
think-
out of the Twinkling Through Time.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. I'll say for what I expected Hershey to have, it was pretty good. It is not Dollywood,
Oh, no.
so
No.
I was okay just staying for like a quick to see what it's about, and then more hot chocolate.
Yeah. Hot chocolate number 2. That's a rich one.
All these lights are so bright. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go blind. What kind of dogs they got?
Yeah, that's got well, one of the
They got
one of each of the house, not the traveler.
Not the travel.
Thanksgiving feast, Merry Meatloaf, Christmas cran dog, and Trailblazer. I mean, I don't know if any of them are interesting enough for me to get, but I feel like I should try one, right?
It's so tough for me to say yes.
Are they big hot dogs or regular size?
They're pretty big.
They're the foot long ones.
Oh God.
It's time for some Burke's hot dogs.
Okay, look. When we were at Dollywood, the train we were on was called Cinderella, and it was just using fresh like cinders. We got off the train and Morgan was like, I love trains now. I love trains.
Yeah. Yep. Suddenly, I was like off that train. All right, for anybody that's been to Dollywood, can you stand up for me here? They're bashing on me for liking Cinderella.
Okay, it was a pretty badass
That was like a
train,
life-changing
but
train, okay? Wow, I
just-
can't believe these people.
It's just we got off the train and Morgan was so like, whoa, I love trains now. And I'm like, calm down, buddy. It's just a train.
I guess nobody gets it. Nobody gets it. Nobody gets it.
Feast, please. Am I able to get the mayonnaise like on the side, if possible? Or like not at
All
all?
these different spots I can get hot chocolate.
It's not as cold as it was last year.
This Treeville, which I don't think is open this year either.
Morgan, what'd you get?
Another hot chocolate. Hot chocolate number 3. Hot. Very sweet though. Wow. Oh, no Burke's though. That's on the list.
Really?
Burke's is on the list.
Well, I gotta try it now. Is it really hot? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hot?
Here, let's pull up here.
That's so sweet.
Look at that. We got it on the side.
Nice.
Wait a second, please. What do you mean, who is it?
This is such a large thing of like mayonnaise.
There you go. That's a lot of mayonnaise for
What
this.
the fuck? We did
Nothing
get
beats a hot dog and some hot chocolate. Hot
We,
dog, hot chocolate.
we did get the mayo on the side because Morgan's not a big mayo guy.
No. I wonder if they're using hot dog water.
Oh God.
Okie dokie. Think it?
Dink it? Sink it.
Dink it and sink it.
A lot of ham.
The bite that I got had so much stuff on it, but I actually didn't get any of the hot dog. And it felt like a full bite in my mouth. Personally, I love gravy
Hot dog one down.
so much that I just want like a tub of gravy to dip it in, and then I think I'd be happy. I want more gravy.
Just a crock of gravy.
Can never have too much gravy.
Had a nice hot dog
And a hot chocolate.
and a hot chocolate. Honestly, I could only eat like 3 bites of that dog before I was like, and I'm done.
Oh yeah, definitely. I'm surprised I got as much of it down as I did.
Yeah, 3 bites was a lot actually. The crispiness of those potato things and then like the super soft bun, the texture
There's a
was
lot
just,
going on.
Yeah. Right now we're gonna get in line. We're gonna go on the train.
For another hot chocolate.
Maybe it'll be like the Polar Express.
Ooh.
Maybe they'll serve hot chocolate on the train. There it is. It's actually a pretty short line.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Station wait.
Yeah, station way.
Let me go backwards. Hot chocolate number 4. Can't find a mouthful. No storm runner going.
Merry Chrysler.
Happy crisis. Was that there last year?
No, I don't think so. Was it?
You guys are missing it all.
Yeah, you are.
What do you mean?
I just wanted to ride the train. I have no idea what's going on. See, they should do a Halloween overlay for the train and then just have like one sick person jump out of it.
Like
That'd be
one scare
awesome.
actor.
That'd be awesome.
And that was the train.
Cute little train. Nothing like Dollywood.
Nothing like Dollywood. Honestly, I kind of like the train ride during Halloween at Knoebels better than I did that one.
Yeah. Agreed. Easily, actually agreed.
Yeah, that one was pretty,
Pretty tame.
yeah, I don't want to say lame, so we'll say tame.
Your music stopped. Oh, it's back.
I'm actually like so scared I'm gonna fall.
Making our way to Merry and Bright Airfield at Hershey, PA to go see Santa Claus and his reindeer. And the hot chocolate refill station. Oh my God, the Merry and Bright Airfield claw machines. Oh my God.
Whoa, I can win a Christmas tree. Here's my complaint so far. I'm pretty confident last year we got free hot chocolate just for being like season pass holders, right?
That's what I got.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
That was free?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, there was a sign on the front that showed you all the places you get free hot chocolate from.
Is
And
this
that was one of
them?
them, that hot dog place. That's why I got a hot chocolate there.
Is this one of them?
This is one of them, yeah.
Oh. All right, revoke my complaint. I really was
Are you
like,
getting hot chocolate?
heck yeah, I am. I really thought you paid for that.
No. No.
Thank you so much. Hot, sweet, but not as sweet as the hot dog one. It's quite nice, actually. Quite.
Well, they did just plop a new container up on the counter, so it's probably fresh.
Ooh, fresh and hot.
This is hot chocolate number 5. I gotta slow down.
We're not going over to Santa. We're going to the reindeer. I gotta say, those elves over there at Santa's area, they are quite cheery.
Have fun seeing the reindeer, friends.
Thank you.
Tell Dash right now.
Newest reindeer on this. We were up in.
Just chilling.
Cute.
Are they gonna do anything?
Well, not yet. They have a whole month. They're on vacation.
You're right. But this was literally just Halloween stuff.
It wasn't on the last day.
Not anymore.
Yeah.
So interesting. It is pretty cute.
Twins. I was looking at this one. This one's really cute.
They're all really cute. It's literally like the Polar Express. He's got the ticket and the jacket, the little bell.
Slippers.
They got a hot chocolate refill area, s'mores area. But I don't think you make your own s'mores here. Oh yeah, I bet you do. Oh my God, there's like no fire.
So you pay for them to roast it for you?
Okay, you can't make it yourself. Instead, they have them pre-made in this box over here. That's
They're selling
so-
pre-made s'mores.
Pre-made s'mores. I don't agree with that.
What is this?
I don't agree with that at all.
No!
Especially because in the beginning of the park, there was an area for you to make your own. Map. Wow. Oh my God, they kept
Whoa.
it. They kept it.
Construction zone, construction zone.
What do we think is going on? Pretty quick night.
Quick, easy night.
Not much going on here tonight. There's definitely, in my opinion, a decent amount of rides open. Not necessarily the thrill rides or like the roller coasters, but I mean, there's a lot of stuff going.
A big variety, a large variety of different rides
Yeah.
going on, and a lot of lights.
Yeah, I feel like this type of Hersheypark event is mainly just for walking around and enjoying the atmosphere and the lights and
the hot
drinking some hot chocolate.
Oh,
yeah.
All right, everybody. That's going to
That's,
conclude our Christmas Candylane opening day here at Hersheypark.
Yeah. Total hot chocolate count, I believe, was 5, maybe 6.
Hope you guys enjoyed.
Hopefully it was pleasing to watch because it was just a bunch of lights. If you think we should have tried a different hot dog,
Let us
let us know.
Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.